Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we have an unboxing of That's Pretty Clever, Ganz schön clever, by Schmidt and Stronghold Games and Wolfgang Warsch. This is ages 14 plus, 1 to 4 players and 30 minutes per player. And we've got the back here. It says 1, choose your die, 2, enter your roll, and 3, the dice remaining are for the other players. Plays great with 2 players, and solo rules are included. Okay, got this here. We'll cut this plastic and check out what's inside. Try to cut the plastic, not the game. Okay. The plastic off here. Okay, we got the lid off. We have the rule book here. Bring the camera back up. Just a few pages. It's like 8 on the back with the solo variant. We'll have setup and gameplay and all that good stuff. And we have our book of sheets for the game. Double-sided. I always like it way better when they're double-sided. Have our 6 wooden dice. We have, it's like 4 markers. And then this wooden insert, like a mirror bowl looking thing, and some fox heads, wolf heads. See if I can get it out. And there's nothing hidden underneath. So if you liked what you've seen, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below, and ring the bell to keep up to date with my future videos. And as always, have a great day.